Hey guys, I want to show you 2 new Easter eggs that were found on Blood of the Dead. They're probably linked to the same thing, but we're in the middle of finding all of the steps. So I just wanted to show you guys the first 3 steps that we have found. If you guys remember, there was a step that was found a couple of weeks ago where you got the golden spork, which is the upgraded spoon, and then meleeed that deal with it regulation sign. And when you did, you could see it fall, and there was a picture or portrait behind it. It appears to be a picture of Ultimus Richtofen, and it's saying, "Who the hell are you?" And so it kind of died there. We didn't know what to do after that. Well, some information has been posted on Reddit, and this information guided us to how to start the next couple of steps. And big shout out to the Gaming Revolution, Greg FPS, and also DK Dynamite. We're all in a game together trying to figure these steps out. And we, again, got 2 of them figured out. But again, it was from complete guidance from the Reddit post. So we're just going along with what it said, and it worked. So we were able to reveal another drawing, and the way we did it was we got a level 3 flamethrower. Now it seems like you don't need a level 3 flamethrower. You probably just need a level 2. You've got to be able to pull that left button, and it does almost like a thunder gun effect. So what I did was I got my flamethrower to level 3. Again, that may not be necessary. And once I got the meter filled, I pulled it out, and we were told to come over here by these desks in the administration office next to the mystery box. So I came over to the desk and I pulled out the flamethrower. I also pulled left and right trigger to engage the tornado, and then I just started blasting with the left trigger. That seemed to be what worked, and it revealed this drawer. It opened up, and you can see this drawing right here. Obviously, it looks like Brutus. Here's a closer look at that drawing, and you can tell that it matches the previous one that was exposed with the golden spork. There's a water stain or like coffee stain on it, and it's the same as the Richtofen drawing. The next thing we were told to do was to go to the library in the OG spawn and use the upgraded katana to do a charge attack at these bookshelves, and it would reveal another drawing. So Greg got his katana upgraded to a level 2, and it wasn't a level 3, and he was charging around all of the bookshelves. And it actually did work. It did reveal a new drawing. If you come over to this area and you look near this whiskey bottle, that was originally a song Easter egg on Mob of the Dead. You can see this drawing show up right here. And this appears to be some zombies with their arms in the air. And it looks like they might be outside. And you can clearly see what seems to be the seagull. And that could be obviously talking about like that being Weasel and him being the seagull. So here's a look at the 3 drawings that have been found so far. You've got Richtofen obviously on the left. You've got Brutus in the middle, found in the administration building, and then the zombies with the seagull in the OG library spawn. There's an indication that there's more to this Easter egg, so we're obviously still trying to hunt and figure it out, but if people want to help us out, that'd be great. And if you guys find anything, let me know. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.
Thank you for watching Glitching Queen's video. Hoorah!